How to fix Windows 10 or 11 stuck on diagnosing your PC. So if you want to fix the Windows 10 or 11 stuck on diagnosing your PC problem, then just follow the steps. So if you get this kind of interface, then what you need to do is first you need to force reboot your PC. The first and simplest solution to the hard reboot your PC if Windows 10 diagnosing your PC is stuck on the screen. This operation has been proven by many people to be useful. For that, the first step you need to do is unplug the power supply from your computer and remove the battery. And after that, wait for several minutes to clear all temporary cache. Then replug the power supply and reinstall the battery. Press and hold the power button until the computer turns on. Once powered on, check if the Windows 10 diagnosing your PC error persists. And if it does, go with the second solution, which is you need to boot the computer into safe mode. So to boot, first you need to click start the icon at the bottom left corner, press the power icon, and then click the restart button with the shift key pressed. Now your computer will boot into the Windows Recovery Environment menu. Once here, click on the troubleshoot, and under the troubleshoot, you just need to simply go with the advanced options. In the advanced options menu, you need to simply select the startup settings. Then you'll see three options to enter the safe mode, which is enable safe mode or enable safe mode with networking or with the command prompt. To select the option, you can simply press F4, F5, or F6 based on your needs. But if the error persists in safe mode, just move down to the other solutions, which is run disk cleanup. Boot into the safe mode as we explained above. Then go with the next step, which is repair your computer. So to repair your computer, you just need to simply insert the Windows installation disk into the computer and restart it from the disk. Then press any key to reboot from the media. Choose the language preference and go on until you arrive at the installation. Now here on the bottom left, you will get repair your computer option. Simply go with repair your computer. Then you need to click on the advanced options. Under advanced options, you can simply go with the startup repair and then you can repair your PC or your computer. Or you can also go with the next option, which is you can uninstall the updates. You can simply choose the uninstall updates option under the advanced option. And if you go with the uninstall updates, you will get these two options, which is uninstall latest quality update or uninstall latest feature update. So you just need to simply go with the latest feature. And if you've installed any latest features updates, then it will be deleted and your problem might be fixed. Or you can go with the next, which is command prompt. Under the advanced options, you will have command prompt, right? You can simply choose the command prompt, and under command prompt, you need to simply enter the command, which is sfc space / scan now option. Once you've entered that command, hit the enter, and to repair the system files, it will repair the system files automatically. This process may take some time, up to 2 to 5 minutes to complete, so please wait patiently. So that's how you can fix the Windows 10 or 11 stuck on diagnosing your PC problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.